What's up, family? In this video today, I'm going to be introducing you all to the Spheron Network Airdrop. Alright, so this project has currently raised about $7 million in funding from notable investors like Nexus Ventures Partners, Protocol Labs, and etc. Alright, so I'm going to be showing you exactly how to participate in this airdrop early enough before the TG commences. Also, some basic information you definitely need to know in order to be fully informed about the Spheron Network project, guys. Alright, so make sure you stick with me all through this video, guys. Don't skip any part of it so you get the full basic info on what I'm going to be showing you all today. Okay, so if this is your first time joining us right here on this channel, this is TV, and what we do here is we give you basic guides on how you can make legitimate money right here on the internet space. Because I, for myself, guys, I make 100% of my income right here on the internet space. Okay, so make sure you smash on that subscribe button right now. Destroy that subscribe button, guys. Turn on the bell icon so whenever TV uploads wonderful videos like this one you're about to watch right now here on YouTube, you're always going to be the first to get notified, and then you're going to quickly hop into it to start making the most amount of money for yourself right away, guys. Okay, so without further ado, let's dive straight into the business of today. Okay, guys, so here we are on my Google Docs page right now. So before I walk you through practically how you can start participating on the Spheron Network airdrop, let's first of all get to know about this project so we know exactly where we're going into, guys. Okay, so up here says introduction to the Spheron Network airdrop. And it says that the Spheron Network Airdrop is a token distribution event that rewards users for participating in the project ecosystem. Okay, so here's what you need to know about the Spheron Network. The Spheron Network is a decentralized compute platform connecting developers and businesses with independent GPU providers for on-demand processing power. Okay, it enables users to access scalable GPU resources instantly without managing complex infrastructure. All right, so GPU has to do with graphics processing unit, guys. All right, so that is basically how the Spheron network operates. So down below here talks about the airdrop details, and it says that the name of this token is called Spawn. So the total reward from the previous airdrop was 1000 USDT tokens with 3 USDT each for 200 random lucky participants and 400 USDT for top 5 referrals. Okay, so guys, there was actually a previous airdrop reward from the Spheron network ecosystem. All right, but that aside, so right now is the current airdrop, which is the Road to TG campaign, where users can earn whitelist spots and qualify for Spawn token rewards by completing tasks and accumulating points. Okay, so that is what I'm going to be showing you guys in this video. So the last one right here says point system, and it says users need at least 1000 points to get whitelisted, with points convertible to XP Spawn determining final token allocation. All right, so I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can get whitelisted to be able to claim the Spheron point and get prepared for the final token allocation, guys. Okay, so down here talks about how to participate, and it says visit the Spheron TG website and sign in with Gmail. Enter a referral code to earn points. Complete tasks on the missions page to earn whitelist points. Join the Spheron community on Telegram, Discord, and Twitter. And lastly, guys, connect your wallet to the Galaxy platform to claim the Spheron Alchemist NFT. Okay, so guys, the link to visit the Spheron TG website and also the referral code is going to be on my Telegram channel. All right, so all you just simply do is go over to my video description. You're going to see the link to my Telegram channel. All you simply do is click on the link and join my channel, guys. Okay, so when you actually join the channel, you're going to be seeing the link and the referral code to join the Spheron TG website. Okay, so that is basically how you can do that. So make sure you use my referral code to actually earn some wonderful points for yourself, guys. All right, so down here talks about the important update, and it says that the previous airdrop ended on December 12, 2024, with winners announced on December 13, 2024. And down below here says that the current campaign has tags available until May 31st, 2025. Okay, so guys, if you are seeing this video right now, just make sure you hop into the Spheron airdrop. All right, so lastly right here talks about the tokenomics and funding, and it says that the Spheron network raised $7.05 million in funding from notable investors including Nexus Venture Partners, Z Prime Capital, and Protocol Labs. Okay, so guys, these are big time investors who are currently funding this project. Okay, so this leaves us with a speculation that this project is definitely going to the moon, guys. All right, so now that we know about the theoretical aspect of how this project works, I'm going to be showing you guys practically how you can start participating on this airdrop right now to start claiming points for yourself until TGE, guys. Okay, so now let's go see how it works, guys. Okay, guys, so here we are on the Spheron website homepage right now. So before I begin showing you guys exactly how you can participate in this airdrop right now, if you have gotten value from this video within the last 4 minutes of me talking to you guys, please do well to support your loyal boy by smashing on that subscribe button right now, guys. Destroy that subscribe button, turn on the bell icon, share this video to friends and family so they also benefit from what you're about to benefit from right now, guys. Okay, so if you have actually done that, I love you. Kisses to the ladies and hugs to the brothers, because I'm straight, guys. Okay, so back to business, guys. As you can see right here, it says get whitelisted, sign in with your email to join the Spawn Dollar whitelist campaign. And down here says after signing in, you will have an opportunity to enter a referral code if you have one. Okay, so guys, the website link to the Spheron website and as well the referral code is going to be on my Telegram channel, like I said previously, guys. Okay, so all you simply need to do is go over to my Telegram channel. The link to my Telegram channel is going to be on this video description and also the comment section. Okay, so all you simply do is go join my Telegram channel so you get access to the links and also get access to updates on my group. Okay, so that is it. So down below here that says sign in with Google, I'm going to hit on it, guys. Here we are. So you can actually choose a Google account to use right here if you actually have a lot of them. So I'm going to select one right here. I'm going to select this one over here. Okay, so let's see how this goes, guys. Boom. So as you can see right here, guys, it says sign into whitelistingcampaign.firebaseapp.com. Okay, so I'm going to hit on this place down here that says continue, guys. So let's see how this goes. Okay, here we are. So as you can see right here, it says enter referral code, and down below here it says how did you hear about us? So you actually have two options right here. The first one says invited by a member and the second says invited by a community. Okay, so what you're going to do right now is this one right here that says invited by a member. You just simply hit on it, and then down below here that says enter member referral code, you just simply paste the referral code right here. Okay, so this is basically how you can insert the referral code, guys. All right, so make sure you follow exactly what I'm doing right here to get the exact same result I'm going to be getting, guys. All right, so down below here that says apply code, I'm going to hit on apply code, guys. Boom, guys, as you can see right here, it says welcome Kamani Klaus 931, limited time, 100 free points, claim your welcome bonus and boost your road to TGE journey, instant 100-point boost, get closer to exclusive missions, take 10 seconds. Okay, so I'm going to hit on this place down here that says claim my 100 points. I'm going to hit on it, guys. Boom, guys, so it says success. My promo code has been generated. I should check my email. Okay, so I'm going to go over to my email right now and just quickly grab my promo code, guys. Okay, so let's go. Okay, guys, so I'm done copying the code right now. So down below here that says enter promo code here, I'm going to hit on it, guys. I'm just going to paste the code, and down here that says submit code, I'm going to hit on the submit code button, guys. So let's see how this goes. Okay, as you can see, it says you have earned 100 points. The promo code has been redeemed. Okay, so down here it says I currently have 100 whitelist points, and down below here it says that I'm not whitelisted currently because I need more 900 points to actually get whitelisted. Okay, so I'm going to scroll down, guys. All right, so as you can see right here, it says important after whitelist phase ends, portion of the whitelisting points will be converted to XP spawn TBD. Okay, so XP spawn is actually the native token of the Spheron network. All right, so it says keep earning the whitelisting point as much as possible. Your final XP spawn total will directly determine your spawn dollar airdrop allocation. Higher XP spawn means larger rewards. Okay, complete missions now to start earning XP spawn, and more missions dropping soon. Okay, so guys, how can I actually get whitelisted right now if I only have just 100 points? Okay, so guys, you can actually create different Gmail accounts and actually refer yourself, or you can also refer your friends and family to actually come in order to get your points completed, guys. All right, so you just need about 5 persons to actually, help you out with that. And boom, guys, you're going to get whitelisted. All right, so when you're actually whitelisted, you can hit on this place right here that says NXP spawn. Okay, but if I actually hit on it right now on this account, you would see that it's not yet whitelisted. Okay, it says missions are active for whitelisted users. Get whitelisted now to access missions. Okay, so I'm going to be going over to my other account to show you how to earn the XP spawn token just by completing missions, guys. Okay, but for now, I'm going to be showing you other things right now. As you can see right here, it says Wheel of Fortune, and down here it says spin now and boost your points. Spin the wheel and score big. Your first spin completely free, and every spin after that brings you closer to epic rewards. Okay, so you can just simply spin right now to earn rewards, guys. So let's see how this goes. Okay, boom. So actually earned about 250 points, guys. All right, so that is cool. So that is basically how you can spin. So if I actually want to spin again right now, it's not going to work. Okay, I would have to pay for another spin, guys. As you can see, it says purchase spin credit and get up to 20,000 points. Okay, so I'm not ready for that right now, guys. I'm going to scroll down. As you can see right here, it says redeem Easter eggs, and it says have an Easter egg, enter it below to earn points. Each Easter egg can only be used once. Okay, so if you actually have an Easter egg, you just simply enter it down below here and submit the code, and boom, guys, you actually get points for that. So down here talks about the referral system, and it says refer friends, share your referral code, and earn 200 points for each friend who joins. Okay, so down below here is a referral code. You can just simply copy your code like this and send it to your friends for them to come join, guys. Okay, and as well, you can also share it on your X account for your friends to join. So that is basically what you need to know about the Spheron network airdrop. All right, so I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can earn the XP spawn tokens right here right now, guys. Okay, so let's go. Okay, guys, so here we are on my other account. So as you can see right here, it says whitelist point is currently 1,000 points. Okay, so this is basically how your account is going to look like when you have actually gotten up to your 1000 points. And down below here it says status is whitelisted. So I'm going to scroll down, guys. Okay, so over here that says NXP spawn, I'm going to hit on it, guys. All right, so as you can see over here, it says mission 1. Follow our socials and connect wallet. It says join our community channels like Twitter and Discord and connect and verify your wallet to receive 100 XP spawn. Okay, so the first right here says join community channels. Join our community channels to stay updated on important spawn dollar airdrop announcement, mission update, and exclusive opportunities. Okay, so make sure you have a Twitter and as well a Discord account before you can actually complete these tasks, guys. Okay, so I'm going to do mine right now and I'm going to be right back. Okay, so let's go. Okay, guys, so I'm done following them on X as instructed, and also I imputed my X username down below here, as you can see. And as well, I also joined their Discord server and also imputed my Discord username. Okay, so down below here that says I confirmed that I have followed on Twitter and joined the Discord server. I'm going to tick on this box right here, guys. Okay, so down below here talks about the step 2 and it says connect and verify your wallet. This is a critical one-time mission. The wallet you connect now will be permanently linked to your account and cannot be changed later. This verified wallet address will be used for future spawn dollar token airdrop. Connect any EVM compatible wallet, which is your MetaMask, Coinbase, or whatever one you actually have, and sign a simple message to verify ownership. Okay, so down here it says choose carefully. This address will be eligible for your spawn dollar Genesis drop. Once verified, you will not be able to change your wallet address. Okay, so guys, make sure to take note of this. All right, so down here says I should connect and verify my wallet address to get a reward of 100 XP spawn tokens, guys. Okay, so I'm going to hit on this blue button right here that says connect and verify your wallet. I'm going to hit on it, guys. Okay, so I'm going to select the MetaMask wallet right here. I'm going to select MetaMask again. Okay, so let's just wait for this to load up. Here we are, guys. So when you're on your EVM wallet, which is your MetaMask, your Trust wallet, or whatever one you have, you just simply hit on this drop down arrow up here and find the base chain, guys. Okay, because the Spheron network is actually on the base chain. Okay, so this is the base chain right here. So I'm going to hit on it, guys. Okay, so let's give this some time. So that is it. So I just clicked on it right now. So it's currently on the base chain, guys. Okay, so I'm going to go back right now over there and just hit on MetaMask again. Okay, so we'll just do this all over again, guys. So let's just wait. Okay, it's actually loading right now. So I'm going to hit on connect right here, guys. Boom, guys. So it says permission updated and it actually brought us over here. So I'm going to hit on this place right here that says sign and verify wallet. I'm going to hit on it, guys. Okay, I'm going to hit on MetaMask again. So here we are again, guys. So I'm going to hit on this place down here that says confirm. Okay, guys, so as you can see right here, it says mission complete. So down here it says share your achievements with your friends on X. I'm going to hit on share on X right now. I'm going to hit on X right here, guys. Okay, so I'm going to post this on my page right now. Okay, so I just did that, guys. So you can as well follow me up on Twitter. I actually share updates right here as well, as you can see. So do well to also follow me right here on Twitter, guys. So we'll keep moving forward. Okay, so I'm going to go back right now. All right, I'm going to go back. So I'm going to scroll up right now, guys. As you can see, I currently now have 100 XP spawn points, guys, as you can see right here. Okay, so that is basically how you can complete the tasks right here on the Spheron network website, guys. Okay, so I believe this is where I'm going to be drawing my curtain for today. So make sure to stay tuned and subscribe to this channel for more updates regarding the Spheron network airdrop, guys. Okay, so if you actually found this video helpful, guys, do well to leave your boy a thumbs up right now. And if this is your first time joining us right here on this channel, do well to smash on that subscribe button right now, guys. Turn on the bell icon so whenever wonderful videos like this one you just watched right now has been uploaded right here on this channel, you're always going to be the first to get notified, and then you're going to quickly up into it to start making the most amount of money for yourselves right away, guys. Okay, so thank you all for watching this video once more, guys. Do have a wonderful day. Peace out.